You feeling, guys? Hi everyone, good evening all. I hope you all are excited for this workshop, and definitely I am assuring you that from this workshop you will learn much more things. I will make you from zero to superhero. From this workshop you will get that, and I am assuring you you will learn lots of things. How vision is much important in our life, and why vision is much required, and what is the power of this vision, how you became from ordinary to extraordinary. So from this workshop we will see. So let's get started. Sir, can you have the slides? Yes. So this is the first slide, vision. Do you know, I am giving here one example that in this world 90% people are there, those who can achieve anything in their life, means what they had dreamed, they can't achieve that. 90% means in the total population of this world, 90% people are not achieving their goals. Means they had dreamed something, but they are not achieving that. Why it is happening? Because lack of vision. They don't have vision. 90% population are there in this world. They can't achieve that. And 7% population are there, those who had dreamed, means they had dreamed something, they have some vision, and somehow they achieve in their life, but they can't achieve the whole. Somehow they achieve. And 3% population are there, those who have clear vision in their mind, and they what they want, they did it. In that 3% you can see all the legends are there, like Barack Obama, Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi. I can take thousands of names. They are in that 3%, and rest 90% people are there in this world, those who had dream but they don't have any vision. So it's your choice. You want to be in the 90%, in the 7%, or the 3%. So vision is that much powerful in everyone's life. Without vision, you can't run anything. You can't run anything. And vision is like something that you can't get it in a day or two. It might take years. It might take years to find your vision. And why vision is so much powerful? I'm giving one example. Think that means if you have a clear vision in your life, then definitely I can assure you, life में कुछ बनो ना बनो, you will be successful. I'm giving 2000% of assurance. You will be successful if you have a clear vision in your life. And you have, means I'm giving one example that if a 7 or 8-year-old boy have some vision in his life or her life, then he can bring a revolution at the age of 15 or 20. I'm giving one example of Mr. Swarit Acharya. He's an 8-year-old kid. Once what happened, he went with his mother for a dinner. Outside, his mother and Swarit went outside. And at that time, Swarit think that what will happen, means in my house there is one aquarium, and there are some fishes are there. They will stay hungry if you will not reach home in time. They will stay hungry. So what he thought like that, he identified one problem. And what he did, he earlier taken some robotics classes. So through using his skill, he created one robot, and that robot will feed the fishes at the right time with right quantity. And now that guy giving TEDx means he is now 9 years old, and he is giving TEDx. He is participating in TEDx talks. Can you imagine that? He has one vision. Means at the age of 8, he got this vision. He identified the problem, and using his skill, he found the solution also. If he will be away for 10 days, if he will go outside for 10 days, nothing will happen. The fish will not stay hungry. They will get their food. So you not need to borrow vision from someone. You have to find vision yourself. So in the next slides, we will get to know that how we will discover our vision and how powerful it is. Yes, these are some names of who are visionaries. You know, those who are visionary, they have entire plan of their life. They have the entire plan. I'm giving here example of Dhirubhai Ambani. See, this session will have lots of examples so that you can imagine. If I will give any theory type of subject, then it's not like that. I will give more examples so that you will imagine and you can relate that. So I will give some such examples. I'm giving one example of Dhirubhai Ambani. He's a great visionary leader, businessman. You can say business tycoon. What he did in his life, he is just a graduate. He tried that I will build one company in India, in my country, and it will elevate my country's GDP, and it will transform our country's people, and I will help them to transform their life. So I will give opportunity, I will give job opportunity to them. So he started with his fabric business, Bimal. His first business was fabric, and that company name was Bimal. And his son, Mukesh Ambani, what he did, he is also a very visionary. In 2007, he built his telecom company Jio Infocomm. At that time, we don't know that. At that time, we only know that only incoming calls we can get free, outgoing calls we have to charge. But in 2015, what he did, he bring revolution in telecom sector. He made all the outgoing calls free. So he had that vision in the year of 2007. And they have the entire plan of their life. After their death, they know how their life will work. So means I can't say that you will be visionary in a day or two. But if you don't have any vision, start working on that. Despite you face many obstacles in your life. Can you imagine before 2015, anyone thought that there will be outgoing free, there will be there? We'd never think that. Any will get free data, free internet before that? No. But he did that because he has that vision from 2007 and he inculcated in 2015, 8 years. It took. So it took time. If you have a clear vision, nobody can stop you. So this is all about this slide. Can you have the next slide, sir? What is vision? So in this slide here, I want to ask, you can note, you can comment it in chat section, that if I will ask what you need in your life, direction or speed to be successful, what you need, direction or success, speed for successful, you can chat, you can reply it on chat window. Direction. Okay. Yes. So if you want to be successful in your life, your direction should be perfect. Otherwise, you will not get the proper speed. If your speed is good, but you are working on the wrong direction, then at the end you will get nothing. If your direction is good and your speed, if you get good direction, then your speed will automatically boost. I can say if you have thousands of skill, you have thousands of skill, you can run your home. If you have a vision, then you can run the world. So vision is that much powerful and it is much required. And I can say from standard, those who are going to school nowadays, we have to prepare our children like that. बाबा कुछ सोचो vision के बारे में, so that you will at the age of in 2025 you don't need to do work somewhere. People will work under you if you have a clear vision. So what vision helps? If you have clear vision, then it gives you wings to fly. And if you have a clear vision, you will not get distracted. And it will make you resourceful. See, my vision is clear. In my life, I am very much clear what is my vision. My vision to make those who are dearer one to me, I will make financial freedom. I will give them financial freedom. Because I had seen, because during my childhood days, I am not, means my family condition was not that much good that I can get 2 times of food during my childhood. I am not getting two times of food. I had faced that kind of situation in my childhood days. And so my vision is to make everyone give everyone financial freedom. This is my vision, and I am very much clear on that. And if you want to discover your vision, I will suggest 3 books. Note it down. I will note it down later in the chat section. Good to Great, Great by Choice, Built to Last. These 3 books are written by Jim Collins, and these 3 books will change your life. They're available in Hindi and English both. You can read, but it's up to you. If you don't have any vision in your life, start discovering. Otherwise, your life means once you will face the death. After that, what people will say about you and it will be written in your epitaph. Epitaph means जो मरने के बाद जो कब्र के पत्थर होते हैं उसमें क्या लिखा जाएगा कि रंजन came to this world, he struggled through his life for money, he did his job, and he get married, he visited 2 countries. No, I don't want to be like this. My epitaph will be, he is a powerful person. He gave everyone financial freedom. And everyone get benefited. With whom he is interacting, definitely he will give benefit to them. I want my epitaph will written by like this one. If we will do like this, means like a 9 to 6 job, apart that we are taking care of our parents, So what? And after that, we are helping other, not helping others. We are helping ourselves only. Then what is the difference between us and animal? There, we are also getting money to build one home, and we are taking loan. And birds also preparing their nest. Then what is the difference between us and bird? Is there any difference? There is a difference. They don't have any vision. They live for themselves. We have to give something. We came here. We came here not to increase the population. We came here for something. So you have to think like that. You have to discover your vision. I will help you. I will give certain points that how to discover your vision. So can you have the next slide? Vision shows us where we are headed. So I will give one more example that if you don't have any vision, it's not any bad thing that you don't have any vision. Start reading the 3 books what I suggested earlier. And if you want to inculcate any vision inside you, then make close friend those who are visionary. Once you will do friendship with them or start working with them, see, if I will get a chance in my life, I will start working with Ratan Tata, then definitely I will learn much more things because he is a visionary person. Mr. Mukesh Ambani, Mr. Narendra Modi, because they are the visionary leaders. They have vision, they have crystal clear vision in their mind. And once you will start working with them, you will get that, you will sense that visionary things. Yes, they think these things like work like that only. They will think like that only. So decision is yours. If you want to be visionary or not, it's totally up to you. You want to run your home or you want to run the world. Because if you have a clear vision, then you will get the right speed. If you don't have any vision, then you will not get that kind of speed in your life. And start asking yourself, do meditation, start asking yourself, why I am into this world? To increase the population or do something else? So life is not like that. You came here to make money and you will get everything else. Money is a byproduct. I can say money is a byproduct. If you have 1,000 number of skills, million number of skills you have, you can lose $1 million. But if you have a vision, then nobody can stop you. No one in this world can stop you. Because vision is not a small word. See, I had given that example of Mukesh Ambani. He found that problem, that why people will get that incoming calls free, why not outgoing calls. He identified that problem. He built one company and he found that solution, and he bring revolution. So identify, if you don't have any vision in you, then start meditation and ask yourself what I am doing. Ask 1,000 questions, 1,000 number of questions you have to ask yourself. That why I am here, what I am doing. I am on the right path. I am on the right direction. Is my spirit is good? For all these, you need some passion. And once you are passionate, definitely you will and make your passion as obsession. Stock market is my passion and I make it as obsession because I want to give financial freedom to my nearer one. And sometimes I had seen that people borrow vision because his vision is good. I think his vision is good, so I will borrow his vision. No, it's not like that. Don't copy anyone's vision to your life because you are quite different. As I said earlier, you have 1,000 million skills you have, but if you don't have any vision, then you will lose that $1,000,000 if you have. And I can give one more example here of Anand sir, like the founder of Super 30. I think everyone has watched that movie, Super 30. What he did in his life and what he is doing in his current life. He is not that much good in his school days, means he is financially weak. He is completely belongs to a poor family. And he can't attend that exam, IIT exam. But what he did, what he had faced in his life, he
Yeah, Ranjan, you can unmute here.
okay, sir. Yes. So what he did in his life, he faced lots of problems in his life during his study. For his studies, he found lots of problems. Despite these problems, now what he did, he chose 30 poor people, those who are talented, and he start teaching them. And all the 30 people are qualifying for IIT exam, qualifying the IIT exam. Have you ever think that I will do like this? And can you imagine that is there any no good teacher are there in this in our country apart from Anand sir? Is there is no good teacher in our country? There are lots of good teacher are there. But why Anand sir is famous? Because of his vision. So start discovering your vision. And once you found your vision, nobody can stop you. It can be on any field, in your business, in everything, whatever you can imagine, each and everything. If you found your vision, nobody can stop. So this is all from this slide. Can you have the next slide? Vision provides you motivation and inspire us to keep on going. As I earlier said, I gave example of Anand. He's he belongs to a poor family, and from there he get that motivation that from now onwards I will not means I will help each and everyone, those who are financially poor and talented. I have also the same motivation because I had seen black days, means those days, my childhood days are nightmare for me. And that's why I want to give financial freedom each and everyone. I did one workshop and I suggested some of the funds to everyone that to buy this mutual fund, buy these stocks. Why I am helping you? Because I don't want that what I had faced in my childhood days, and I don't want to see that kind of things to anyone. And see, For the sometimes I also conduct stock market webinars, workshops, and I don't charge them. I do it for free. No, I am not saying that I am a monk kind of thing, because I know if I will charge, they will give me, but I don't need. Market is there. I can make money from there only. So I don't need anything from anyone else, because I am damn sure I can make money. If market will open, I can make money. And my job is there. And I am also learning. And actually, my job my job is my primary source of income, and market is secondary source of income. But I am giving 100% to both my work. Learn new technical skills is my passion, and long stock market is also my passion. So you have to discover your vision like that only. Identify your problem and work on that using your skills. It doesn't matter you born in a poor family and you are dying as a poor, then it's a bad thing. You're born in a poor family, you are not dying as a poor, then it's a good thing. And I think everyone has watched that movie Super 30. What kind of message that movie had given us? And don't think that vision will, once you get that vision, you will get name and fame. Not like that. I had given that example of Mukesh Ambani. In 2007, he built Jio, but he launched his product in 2015. And in his mind, he is crystal clear that nobody can stop me. It took 8 years to implement his vision. So it took time, and vision is not a small thing. It's a very deep subject, and don't take it lightly. See, all the examples I had given here, I can give more examples. I can give thousands of examples. Start working on that. Start, like I asked, start meditation. If you don't have any vision, start working on a meditation. If you don't have vision, find some visionary people and start working with them. Make friendship with them. So this is all about this slide. Can you have the next slide? Vision help us to keep us moving forward and move through obstacles. So I can say in everyone's life, they get some success. But when you get success, everyone praises you. Yes, you Ranjan, you did a good thing and you have done a great thing. But nobody knows how much times I fucked up. I know that pain, how much time I get failed, and how much obstacle I found to achieve that success. How much time I know, how much pain I had get there. It's not easy thing, but there is no shortcut to success. But if you have a clear vision, then that is the shortcut. If you have a clear vision, then you can get that success despite of any obstacles. You have to understand that apart means you are doing any means if you are in a job or anything, you are doing whatever. But if you don't have any vision, start working on that and identify the problems that you can solve. There means your vision is hiding there only. You will get that vision. You will get your vision from that only. Once you have crystal clear vision in your life, nobody can stop you. So can you have the next slide, sir? Vision provides focus. As I earlier said, when you have a clear vision, you will not get distracted. And those who are visionary, once you get your vision, you don't need anything else. You don't need anything else. You can motivate yourself. When you will fail in something else, when you face some obstacles, you will motivate yourself and you will be focused. Because vision has that much power in itself, it will keep you focused. वो होता है ना, सोने नहीं देता है आपको. Vision will emit all your distraction. Only vision. It will emit all the distractions. I had seen, like, in some people, someone, I mean, in my office, I had seen some people are there, means they are quite good and they had good technical skills, but they had started something else and they get one vision and they had started working on that. But sometimes what happened, due to some personal issues, their things get stuck. They can't do anything for their vision. And to recharge in themselves, they need they attend some speaker programs, like some TEDx talks. After that, they get recharged to work for their vision. And if you have anything, if you have any vision, if you're working on that, and despite, let's see, my vision to give financial freedom to everyone. If I will get a chance, definitely I will get chance in future, and definitely I will help all of them. But sometimes I am also facing some issues. But I am focused. My destiny is final. In my mind, I am crystal clear that I have to reach my destiny. Those who are visionary, they motivate themselves and they are crystal clear. Means after their death, they know how their life will work. So they always stay focused. You have to be visionary. Otherwise, your life will be like hell. Means वही hard marks का पुतला बन के रह जाएगा. If you don't have any vision, start discovering it. Because vision, in this workshop, I can give more examples. But if you have to find yourself. If you not find, then definitely in future only you can help yourself. Nobody can help. Even God can help you. If you don't have any vision, you will be in that 90%. Choice is yours. You want to ordinary, yeah, you want to extraordinary. Like I had seen the one web series, Don't Be That Minimum Guy, in Family Man 2, I think. He always said, don't be that minimum guy. So if you want to be a minimum guy, then it's good. If you don't have any vision. If you don't want to be a minimum guy, then please have some vision. So can you have the next slide? Vision gives us meaning and purpose to what we do. When you have a clear vision, it will, there's 1,000 people, 1,000 number of people, those who are, if you are working on something and it will give benefit 1,000 number of people. then they will say you, please stay alive, we will take care of all your problems. They will say, you don't need to describe anything to that this is my problem, I can do that. If you have some vision, like I can give you one example, that imagine you are going to build one beautiful building and you want to donate that building to some poor people, and you are already discussed with them, after that building you will stay here. They will give blessings to you, and it will itself, you will get itself a purpose of staying alive. It will give you a meaningful life. And once you have a clear vision, you, as I said earlier, you yourself will feel that I'm a resourceful guy, I can do anything in my life. Like before 2014, our prime minister means, as he said that at the age of 40, our prime minister Mr. Modi, he said that up to age of 40 he was searching here and there for food. He was like a beggar, right? He said in his interview, I heard that he said in somewhere in his interview, up to age 30, 35, I was asking for food as a beggar. But he had clear vision. I want to elevate people's life, those who are into backward class. And nowadays, after 2014, things has been changed. Our country's image. I am not in favor of Modi. I am not against of Modi. What he had did, I am saying that. I am not a big supporter of Modi. I am not a bug. After 2014, our country's image, he has changed because of his clear vision. And world, he is now calculating as a world leader. Why? Because of his vision. And he is a good orator. He knows how to do the things in a different manner. And he get blessings from, that's why he elected second time. So you have to be means in your mind, you have to find such kind of visions. He identified one problem and he had started working on that. He found one solution. And once you have a clear vision, you have identified the problem, and once you have the solution, then definitely nobody can stop you, and you will get all the name and fame. See, I am here that in your city, in your town, I am giving one example. In my city, in my village, in my district, that is Sambalpur. It is in western part of Odisha. Some people are there, those who are into cement dealership. And they have $1 million of, they have million and billions of money with them, but nobody can know that. No one's know them. No one. In Sambalpur, they are known, but apart from Sambalpur, nobody knows them. But if you have a vision, then your smell will spread. If you have a clear vision. So, Mr. Somendra, don't get into that, Mr. Yogi and Modi. I am giving one example. Who is more visionary? Don't get into that. So, once you have clear vision, you will sense the meaningful life. So can you have the next slide, sir? Yes. So this is the last slide, and here I will say something like, see, if you have, and this is the last example I want to give here, that if you have something, means if you want to do something in your life, what you need before that? You need one design, one blueprint required. Without blueprint, if you're planning to build your future, it is not possible. And your vision will be your blueprint. Once your vision is clear, your vision is your design. See, if you want to plan, if you want to do a window, if you want to make one window in your home, so you want to first you want to calculate what is the length, what is the calculation, like how much feet I have to broke that window, how that wall, you are calculating that. And some people, I had seen some people that they are building their future without any vision. No, they are building that, but it will not sustain. If you are building your future without any vision, then definitely it will not sustain. It will break. So if you have to build your future, let's start visualize something.
Yeah, Ranjan, am I audible?
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, Ranjan.
Sorry, sir. Actually, power cut was there, so that's why
Okay, no
I got
issue.
disconnected.
Yeah.
Yes. As I earlier said, those who are visionary, they have the plan for next 30 years. And those who don't have any vision, they have skill, they can run it for next 3 days, but not for next 30 years. So don't be that minimum guy. Choice is yours. If you want to be that 90% population or that 3% population. But I am assuring you that I will be in that 3%, because my vision is very much clear. So this is all about this slide, and I hope I had helped you in this session that how to find your vision, how to discover it. And if any questions, you can ask me. So over to Arindam, sir.
Yeah, very nice. Thank you so much, Ranjan. Thank you so much for enlightening us with this amazing presentation. And the effect is visible as all the 19 people I can see, there is not even a single person who left this meeting. Amazing, amazing. 19 was there. They started in the beginning and till the end, it's 19. And Ranjan, while you were talking, so I just thought that our life is like this lock, right? And these are some keys which we have. So let's say if this is our life and this is our hard work, and I'm trying to unlock this lock, but it is not unlocking. Then I'm trying the different key that is of smart work, but again, it is not opening. I'm trying really hard, but it is not opening. Then finally, after your session, I figured out that actually the key to this success is vision. So now it is unlocked.
Yes.
So that's an
There
amazing.
is only one shortcut for success, that is vision. There is no other shortcut. Means your hard work, your smart work will not work.
Perfect. That's really amazing. Thank you so much, Ranjan, for this amazing workshop. This is one of your best workshops, and all the people I guess were completely glued into the presentation. Now, I request all of you that if you have any question, now you can unmute your audio and then you can speak.
Yes, yes, sir. Good evening, Ranjan, and good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, myself, Naresh Agarwal, and I just joined this tutor group a month ago only. So it might be some mistake to speak. Please excuse me in advance. First of all, Ranjan, it was a very wonderful workshop, inspirable workshop, very useful and helpful for all of us. I congratulate for this kind of workshop. I really inspired, I really motivated, and I think if I can get chance to express my views in front of all of you, like being as a trainer of workshop, then definitely I will come up in front of all of you.
Perfect.
Now, yes, last in last workshop, I have learned a line that sight comes from eye, vision comes from mind. That was very true. Today, you have also put one very nicely one quotation that if a man born in a poor family or born as a poor man, that is not his mistake, but he dies in as a poor, that will be his mistake. I am really impressed by this your quotation by seeing by this line. Now I can say, according to me, the power of vision means the ability of an eye to see anything. A vision is practical guide for creating plan, setting goals and objectives, making decision, and coordinating and evaluating the work on any projects, whether it is large or small. I want to say that we have to think big, we have to take a big dream, and we have to be focused on our success. That's all. I wish you all the best very much in all aspects in future. Thank you very much, Mr. Ranjan.
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful. Coming this message from somebody who itself is a visionary, who is the CEO of so many organizations, is a huge thing. Great salute to you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Perfect. And yes, Mr. Jagdish, please.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you, and good evening, Mr. Ranjan, sir. Ranjan, sir, I want to ask you, how can I start my second income from share market? Because I am working and I have my primary income from my job. And how can start my second income source from share market? And where from I start in share market? Can you suggest and can you?
So it will take too much time because for me it was also took 5 years to make money from this market. So it's not that much easy to start reading some books. I will suggest some price action books. Start reading on that.
And one question also, it's the right time, like in our education system, like Hindi and English compulsory subject, teach them student. So it's the right time to India also, like share market also teach them in student life, like higher education and education. It is the right time.
No, it's not the right thing in school because there is already some IIMs and XIM. These are there, so they are teaching, and if you are eligible, you can get admission. And there are those who are into finance. My friends are from Ahmedabad and Lucknow, so they are into finance, so they get taught about the stock market. So these things will be taught in MBA colleges, not in school.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much, Jagdish, for your wonderful questions. Perfect. Still, the platform is open for a few more questions. So if you have anything to ask, you can simply unmute your audio and then you can speak. Yes, Anita, ma'am.
Yeah, hi Ranjan, how are you?
I'm good, man. How are you?
Doing good, Ranjan, and I'm baffled to see your performance today. And it was amazing, workshop. And one thing I actually learned from you, that is the vision is very important, though I know, but vision can change your world, right? So that's actually I learned today, as it's a very strong message you gave, strong, the points you shared with us. And I really want to tell you one thing, like I mean, I really, I mean, see your performance, and you are a great person. Like you, I want to tell you because as I know you very well, and you said to somebody one day that you want to give your interview in front of the news. In front of the news channel, right? And I mean, they will take your interview because you are a millennial, you would millennial, so that is why they would take your interview. So I just thought like this, that okay, that you have vision, that kind of vision you have, right? But today when I just saw your performance, and I just figure out, I mean, when I just gone through your all the details and everything, I figured out one thing very clearly, that yes, what you said that going to happen, may 5 years, or in 6 years or 10 years, next to next, I mean, whenever it would happen, but it would happen just because of it reflects on your face, and your vision is clear, right? So
Yes.
I'm glad to see your quality, and I really want to tell to others as well. When he joined at that time, the first workshop when he took, at that time he was so surprised, and he didn't speak much, and within 10 minutes he just finished his workshop. But today that he managed his 1 hour, and he spoke and spoke and spoke, nothing else. So that is the quality that he cleared in his vision. And I really want to tell you, I learned these things, that how you would be clear in your vision. So may that you said very nice, that success can change a thought process or a family or something like this, but vision can change entire world. That you said in a nice way. I mean, I learned these things from you. It's an amazing workshop. And thank you so much that to give this kind of the workshop, and we all learned, and we all get the wisdom from you. And it's really important for everyone, right? So thank you so much, that the way that you represented today, so it was amazing. Thank you, Ranjan. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm so proud that you are my student. Right
Thank
now,
you.
you I can say
Thank
that. All right, lovely to know about this, and the way that you represent, it was marvelous.
Thank
And
you.
you actually put all the trivial points, I mean, very trivial points that you put there, and you said very nice, small, small things. It was a nice way that you actually explained it. Lovely to know about this. Thank you, Ranjan.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your wonderful feedback and comment. Amazing. And yes, we have seen how Ranjan started his journey and today where he has reached.
So
And that's
earlier there were days when I took first workshop, मैं पसीना छूट रहे थे, मतलब I was shaking at that time. I was shaking, like what I will speak in workshop. But now I build that confidence. Yes, I can. If the number, number doesn't matter, because sky is the limit now. It doesn't matter me that how many people are there in front of me.
Yeah, I really want to mention this thing, that Ranjan is one of the highest workshop speaker. And I guess that it's almost that been 8 months that he is the only one. Not only that people like him, entire YouTube channels also likes to him, right? Because I really don't understand the marks, I mean, the kind of the viewers actually watches him. I don't know, because of the handsome look or whatever, like the voice quality and whatever. But that I'm baffled to see, even though that Arindam, though he also does all these things, even though he doesn't get this much of the viewers, how much Ranjan gets. So it's again, like, I mean, amazing things that with Ranjan, and he's the one of the highest speaker in the English Times. Lovely.
My God is kind to me actually.
No, I am really baffled to see, May, that your personality is actually like you I mean, it's a great liking of others, and that is the reason only that people actually just watch you, views you, and that's why these things happen. But any which way, very all the best, and do well. And definitely I'm just waiting for that when actual the news like channel will come and just ask you, okay Ranjan, tell me how you would just do all these things, and what's the quality, what's the reason behind of this, and how you became the billionaire. So I'm also waiting for that. And Ranjan, don't forget us, remember us, right?
Definitely, ma'am. Means I will remember all of
Okay, fine. Thank you so much, Ranjan.
it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. And still, if somebody has something, so we can take one more question. I guess Jagdish, you have raised your hand. Yes, Jagdish.
Sir, how can I become a financially freedom like age of 40 and 45? Because it's an old trend that age of 60 we become financially freedom, but I'm talking about age of 40 and 45. How can become financially freedom?
So I can suggest you, if you want to be financial freedom, then you have to invest per month 25K. Every month you have to invest 25K in some good mutual funds. Then at the age of 45, you will accumulate a good amount of return, and after that you will get financial freedom.
It's not possible. Everyone. I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about everyone. If they are not every month, you said that every month invest in mutual fund 20,000 every month.
25,000.
25,000. For those who are per month salary in 20,000, 25,000, that situation, how can become a financial freedom?
So
It's easy for everyone. Those who are invest every month 25,000, they easily become a financial freedom because they are paying 50,000 1 lakh. But I'm talking about those who are earning per month 15,000, 20,000. How can they become a financial freedom? That is a challenging, and my question is that.
So it's a challenging task, I understood, but your if your earning is 20K per month, and if you want to be financial freedom at the age of 40, then you have to do some kind of robbery. Robbery in bank or like in bank. So it's not
Okay.
possible. So there is certain criteria. It's not
Okay.
possible.
Okay.
Absolutely. Straight but true, right? Straight but true. That is the fact. So I hope all of you have taken a lot of insights from Ranjan's today's session. And definitely you are going to get the recording of this session so that you can go through it again and again. Because in Hindi, there is one dialogue which I love, that is, अच्छे इंसान और अच्छी किताबें एक बार में समझ में नहीं आती, right?
Yes, yes.
So that is why if you want to learn a lot, then go through this workshop again and again, the recording of this workshop. And then after, if you still come across any doubt, then very soon you would be looking into Ranjan with a different topic, and his topic is already decided. Yeah, make your passion as obsession. So in the next workshop, in the upcoming month, he's going to take that workshop, and during that time, you can raise your questions, you can ask. So till that time, I hope that you have enjoyed. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming and showing us your presence. And please wait for the next workshop. Till then, take care. God bless you, and we love you all. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.